Dear students, the next question from gravitation chapter 9th standard NCERT example problem number 10.2. See the question. Here one road or otherwise one rock, like that you can imagine. One car is moving. Okay, so the car is to reach the edge of the rock, they named as ledge. Okay, in Tamil they called as Tongu Parai. Okay, that is the edge of the rock. Okay, so after reaching that edge of the rock, the car is fall down. Then to reach the after some time, that the timing is given in 0.5 second, that is in half second to reach the ground. So this is the situation. So when car is moving, after reach this edge, then to reach the ground due to in the falling down due to the gravity. So the gravity value is given, that is taken as for calculation 10 meter per second square. This is the situation. In this situation they are asking three questions. The question number 1, what is the speed of the car on striking the ground? அப்போ இங்கே கீழே விழுவுக்குள்ள இந்த கிரவுண்டை ரீச் பண்ணக்குள்ள இந்த இடத்துல வெலாசிட்டி என்ன? That is first question. Okay, you know very well, here initial velocity is 0 because freely fall body here. Okay, then here to reach the final velocity is what? That is the first question. Second question is, what is the average speed during 0.5 second? So when the car is travel from this top to down, what is the average speed? That is the second question. Third question, how height is the ledge from the ground? So this height is asking. So first question, what is the final velocity to reach the ground? Okay, this is the first question. Second question, during this motion, what is that V average? That is the second question. Third question, this height is asking. That is third question. First question, final velocity to reach the ground. Second question, average speed during this motion from top to down. And third one, what is the height of the ledge? Okay, shall we find one by one? Yes. The first one, what is the speed on striking the ground? Okay, you know very well, here initial velocity 0, final velocity something, that only we are going to calculate. So initial velocity, final velocity relation, you know from equations of motion, V is equal to U plus AT. But you know already the gravity, under the action of gravity, the object is moving downward direction. So A is taken as G. So V is equal to, U is initial velocity 0, I no need to write, initial velocity 0. Then A is nothing but gravity, that is G, and time is T. Therefore V is equal to G value given in the question, that is 10 meter per second square, and time value, you know 0.5. 0.5 is nothing but half. So 10 divided by 2, that is equal to 5. So 5 meter per second. So that is the answer for first question. Okay, so when the car to strike the ground, its speed is 5 meter per second. So first question is over. Next, let's see that second question. Second question, what is the average speed during this 0.5 second? Average speed. So here we discussing the two speed, you know. One is initial speed, that is U, final speed, that is V. So average speed we can write V average equal to, average value how to find? Total divided by number of value. So total, that is V plus U or U plus V, divided by 2. Okay, total velocity divided by number of velocity. Total what? Final velocity plus initial velocity, then divide by 2. So this is average. So we can write V value. So V value, you know, final velocity what already we found, that is 5 meter per second. then plus initial velocity, that is 0, then divide by 2. So it is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is nothing but that is 2.5 meter per second. So we can say that average speed during this 0.5 second, that is 2.5 meter per second. So I can write this average speed here, 2.5 meter per second, that is average speed. Okay, and the last one they are asking this height. Okay, so the height is nothing but that is a distance. So that one more equations of motion, that is S is equal to ut plus half at square. So here initial velocity 0, that is u is 0, then acceleration, that is a is equal to g. So then S is nothing but displacement from the top to edge, that is considered as height. So this equation I can write for our convenient, that is h is equal to u value 0, so entire value is 0, so this term not come. The remaining 1 by 2, acceleration is nothing but gravity, then time squared. So now we can simplify this equation, we can get the height. So height is equal to, first g value taken as 10, then what is that, time value what, 0.5. Okay, so 0.5, then square, divide by 2. So height is equal to, here 1 time, here 5 time. So 5 into 0.5 squared. 5 squared is nothing but 25. So 0.5 into 0.5, 0.5 into 0.5, we can try 0.25. Simple calculation only. So 5 into 25, 125. Here 2 decimal is there, so we can put 2 decimal. So 1.25 meter. So this is the height of the ledge from the ground. Okay, so please listen, students. The car is there, it will to reach the edge, that is the ledge. After that it is falling under due to the gravity. So in this situation they are asking the first question, what is the speed? Well, reach the ground, that is 5 meter per second. The second one, during this path, what is the average speed? That is 2.5 meter per second. The third question is, what about this height? The height is 1.25 meter. Okay students, I hope you understood this question. Thank you.